Whoa, sick shirt, bro. Okay, slow.
Well, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. I was supposed to go racing this weekend, and Streetcar Takeover ended up being canceled earlier this week due to the chances of rain that are this weekend that are really high. And at I-29 Dragway, it's like in the river flood zone. So like it's a low area, and any amount of rain, the track almost floods out. So they were just postponed it to a weekend I won't be able to go to. So that's a kind of a bummer, but I have a wedding to go to instead of racing that weekend. But I'm kind of glad they canceled it, as I rewired my fuel pump and my fuel pump is still not working. There's something funky going on. I called Areomotive and they're like, hey, that's a bummer, but they're like, we want to find out what's wrong with it. So go ahead and send it back in and we'll get it fixed up for you. We'll tell you what's wrong with it and how to prevent it next time. So I'm glad that they're willing to do that. I do have a race here locally. It's a 16-car small tire shootout on June 11th. So hopefully I'm back together for that. But today, since I got nothing going on, I'm gonna run over to Jeremy's shop again. He ended up purchasing a new shop, so I'm gonna go over there. He's really good with wires, so he's going to solder a couple wires I have. They're 8-gauge wires, and my solder gun's not the best solder gun, so it don't get hot enough to heat the wires up to melt the solder. So I'm gonna go over to his shop. He's gonna do that, and while I'm there, if he has a lift open that I can just squeeze in and use, I'm going to drain the fuel cell and I'm going to take the pump off so I can send the pump in. But right now I'm going to get the truck all strapped down. I'm going to hook the Duramax up to the trailer, and then I gotta go take London to daycare. But other than that, I'm going to get the trailer ready and hook up, and then we'll go. We are all hitched up. I'm just moving my tire chocks here. Good old brick for the tire chock so they don't roll on my driveway. And I'll grab London and then we're ready to head out. Hey, you ready to go?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm over here at Jeremy's shop. I got the truck on the lift, and I did get the fuel pump taken out. Got it taken out, sitting right here, ready to go back. It was just up on my mounting plate right here. Got the fuel filter there and all that stuff like that. So now I just have to lower the truck back down, and Jeremy's going to solder those wires for me, since he's better at wires than I am. So that's what we're gonna do. The fuel pump actually did turn on for a second today, but after that it turned right back off. So there's definitely something funky going on in there, and Areomotive's gonna figure it out. But that's Jeremy's shop. He's got a bunch of stuff going on in here. Back my race trailer in here like I own the place. Cole's over there doing engine and transmission clutch swap. The Camaro. Got this awesome Camaro here. This is like a full resto car. Jeremy's doing a bunch of stuff on that. It's looking good. And just a bunch of normal stuff going on. But we'll get the truck lowered down and Jeremy will start soldering it. He's been running around, his shop's really busy right now, and been running around with his head cut off. There's just been customers coming in like crazy, so I'm trying to make it fast so he could get his lift back, because right now he's not making no money on my lift. Well, the lift I'm on, I'm gonna pay him, but yeah, he could be making way more money with a car on the lift. So I'm gonna hurry up and try getting this thing off so I can get out of his way and they can keep doing stuff. Well, I'm back at my house now. Jeremy got the wires together for me that I needed. I pulled the fuel pump out while I was at his lift, and I thank him a lot for letting me use his lift. He had one open. That shop is, he was going crazy. That shop was non-stop, having people come in and out, in and out, and in and out. So I appreciate him to allow me to use the lift. I got the fuel pump out. I ran to my work. I shipped the fuel pump out. So hoping maybe Tuesday, Wednesday at the latest, that Areomotive has that pump. They figure something out and get a hold of me and let me know what's going on with that thing and maybe get it fixed and sent to me. If it's not fixable, maybe they'll send me a new one. The pump is under warranty. But when I was at Jeremy's shop, he's not far from Tractor Supply Company, which is like a local farm store for us, and I ended up buying a new gun safe. Story of my life. I can't go anywhere without buying something, so I'm gonna work on getting the safe out of the trailer down into my basement. Get a couple guns in it, all my ammo. I got a crap ton of ammo, so it's just sitting in the floor. So I just figured get a safe so I can put my ammo in it. But other than that, I'm waiting on the fuel pump to come in. When the fuel pump comes in, the truck will be ready. I do have to order bigger injectors. I'm gonna go with 210s. Not quite sure where I'm gonna get injectors or who through. So I'm kind of indecisive right now, but the truck with the injectors in it now and the fuel pump working is safe to run. We're down a couple horsepower from last year. I guess just with not much timing in it and the fuel pump having enough pressure to supply the injectors now, the injectors just are not big enough. We also did turn the base pressure up a little bit, and we got a little more out of it, but the injectors are way too small now. So injectors is a new move, but other than that, streetcar takeover this weekend got canceled due to the rain forecasting for the weekend, and it got scheduled to day of my best friend's wedding, and I'm the best man in that, so I won't be going to streetcar takeover at I-29 this year, which kind of a bummer. I was really looking forward to it, but there'll be other races, and I guess if they end up having one in Kansas City or St. Louis, we might just have to go down there to go to it. But other than that, I'm gonna get the safe out of the trailer. I'm gonna lock the trailer up, and you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys are helping me out a lot. It means a lot. I need more. Content's kind of boring right now, I get it, but I'm getting better with the vlog style. It's gonna take me some time. You know, talking to a camera in public is, I guess I get kind of shy about that, but I'm working on it. So hopefully the more I do this, the better I get at vlogs, and then people just look at me like I'm a dummy with a camera pointing at me. So other than that, have a good one, guys.